Today, unfortunately, we have a sad unboxing from CGC. Let me tell you why. Welcome to Pickin' and Punchin'. I am the Scoundrel Rod Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, also modern day treasure hunter. And today is bittersweet because I got a box back from CGC, which I absolutely love. Unfortunately, I hate to get a box back under these circumstances. These books were actually sent in for the George Perez autograph signing. Unfortunately, due to his health issues, he was unable to attend that event and he had to cancel. Unfortunately, George passed here recently, so RIP. And I still, in his honor, I decided to get my books graded. I sent 3 books in, and we're gonna see what I got. So now he did charge. I think CGC was charging. I think I don't know, about $100 or so for the autograph signing with a custom, an extra $5 for a custom label. And I went all out, so I got the custom label, did all that stuff. CGC gave us the option to mail back the books for free. They also offered to grade them at a $5 discount. So I decided to, why not? Let's just get them graded. So hopefully they come back high grades. There was some cool books in here. As always, I will show you guys first, and then down here in the corner, I'll keep a running tab of what these books are actually valued and give you guys a little insight what's going on. All right. Which side is this? All right, this side's right here. All right. So this is a Wonder Woman book. As you can see here, what's the grade on this one? Let's see. Ooh, a 9.0. Oh, what the hell? Why did this get a 9.0? Man. I mean, this is an awesome book, but man, no idea I was going to get a 9.0. If I thought I was going to get a 9.0, I would not have gotten it graded. Man, that sucks. All right. Not the way I wanted to start this this video out here, but let's see what we got next. Okay, this back out here. I'll have to pull up and see if there's grading notes then on there, but let's wait and see what we got here. Oh, what the 9.2, like, oh man, the corners are nicked. I mean, I thought this would be like a 9.4, 9.6. Damn it. Yeah. So, this is The Death of Supergirl. Cool book. I wasn't expecting 9.8. Definitely wasn't expecting 9.2. I was hoping for 9.4, 9.6, but man. I mean, the George Perez custom label is actually really cool. Crisis on Infinity Earth 7, 9.2. Not off to a good start in this box. So, let's see what the last one is here. Hoping for at least a high grade on this one here. We will see. What do we got? 9.4. Damn it. I thought for sure this was going to get a higher... What the... There's definitely like pieces of like plastic inside this thing. I don't know if you guys can see there, but there's actually like a little chunk of plastic in there. Ah, man. 9.4. Crisis on Infinity Earth #1. This is the first appearance of the Blue Beetle. I was expecting a lot higher grade on this. You know, I sent these in for the autograph signings, so I wasn't expecting maybe a 9.8 on all the books, but I was expecting at least, 9.6. Man, this Wonder Woman one, I just... All right, so 9.0, no grader notes. 9.4, no grader notes. And 9.2, no grader notes. Oh, that sucks. So, just gonna give you a heads up, when I originally did send these in, you're supposed to send them in for the autograph signing. You gotta send them in a special sleeve, which covers up the whole book except for the area that you want autographed. Unfortunately, CGC was sold out of them, so I had to make my own custom ones, which is taking some painter's tape and cutting out some plastic and putting it on there. So I don't know, maybe they potentially got damaged a little bit at that point in time. I don't know. This is not the way I saw this video going. So, man, I was hoping for a lot better grades on these, higher grades on these. I wouldn't mind a 9.4, 9.2 if it was autographed, but just being a regular slab, being a 9.0, a 9.4, 9.2, you know, that sucks. Not worth really the money that I spent to send those in, so I would chalk this up as a loss today, unfortunately. So, but, oh well, you guys can't win them all. You know, we have plenty of other unboxings of CGC books that will be posted up on the channel, so make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comments down below what you thought of the books and thought of the grades I got. So until next time, guys.